Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to create Binomo account. To create Binomo account, you have to go to Binomo's official website or download Binomo application from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store depending on the device you are using. Here, I have already downloaded Binomo application, so tap open the application. Tap on sign up. Here, you have to select your currency first. Remember, all operation on the platform will be provided in this selected currency. The setting can't be changed after sign up. To sign up, you can use your Google account or your Facebook account. You can also enter email address and then create a new password. I'll be signing up using my email address. After entering your valid email address, create a password. Make sure that it contains 6 to 50 symbols including Latin letters and numbers. After this, tap on sign up. You can use your demo account to sharpen trading skills or top up the real account to earn and withdraw funds. I'll just tap on keep demo account. And here you go. You have successfully created account on Binomo. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.